Until now, Python simply followed instructions from top to bottom. But real programs need more control. Sometimes they must make decisions. Sometimes they repeat actions many times. And sometimes they must stop or skip certain tasks. In this level, we will learn how Python controls actions. Before Python can decide anything, it first asks a question. Is 5 greater than 3? Is 10 less than 2? The answer is always either true or false. These two values are called Boolean values. They power every decision in programming. Comparison operators help Python ask questions. They compare values and produce true or false. These answers become the foundation of decision-making. Python checks the condition. If it is true, Python executes the code inside the if block. If it is false, Python skips it. Sometimes there are multiple possibilities. Python first checks the if condition. If that is false, it checks the elif conditions one by one. As soon as one becomes true, Python runs that block and stops checking. The else block is the backup plan. It runs when every previous condition is false. This guarantees that the program always knows what to do. The for loop repeats code a specific number of times. Range 5 creates 5 steps. Python runs the loop once for each step. This allows us to perform repetitive work efficiently. Unlike a for loop, a while loop repeats while a condition remains true. As long as the battery is greater than 0, the robot continues walking. When the condition becomes false, the loop stops. Continue means skip this round. When Python encounters continue, it immediately jumps to the next iteration. The remaining code in the current loop is ignored. When Python reaches break, the entire loop ends immediately. No more iterations occur. This is useful when we already found what we need. Continue skips one iteration. Break stops the entire loop. They are powerful tools for controlling program flow. This one small program contains almost every control tool we've learned. The for loop repeats the adventure. True and false decide whether a banana appears. If checks for bananas. Elif checks for a giant monkey. Else handles everything that doesn't match. When a banana is found, continue skips to the next search. When the monkey appears, break immediately ends the adventure. These same control structures are used in real games, robots, simulations, and apps every day.